Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have files ready, now create a compressed archive. On Windows, select Files, right-click, Send to Compressed Zipped Folder. On Mac OS, select Items, right-click or Control-click, choose Compress. Once done, rename the archive with a clear name and version. Make sure to check total size. If it exceeds limits, split into parts or remove large files. Also consider folder structure. Keep relative paths tidy so extraction is simple for recipients. You can set a password if your OS or a tool supports encryption. Consider 256-bit AES for sensitive data. Now choose the tool and compression level. Use 7-zip or WinRAR for stronger compression. Open the app, add files, set archive format to zip, choose compression level ultra or normal depending on speed versus size, and set dictionary and solid block sizes for large datasets. On Mac OS and Linux, use Terminal, zip R archive, zip folder / or 7z a tzip archive, zip folder /. Once configured, test the archive and compare sizes. Make trade-offs between CPU time and saved bytes. Exclude temp. Finish by verifying archive integrity and sharing it. Use built-in verify options or run unzip tarchive. Zip to test extraction. Once verified, upload to cloud or attach to email. If file is still too large, split into multi-part zip parts or use higher compression tools. Make sure recipients can open the format you chose. Troubleshooting tip. If checksum or extraction fails, recompress the original files after repairing corrupted files, or recreate archive with lower compression to reduce CPU edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.